Number 16. Goa, best beach destination. While Indonesia is a beach haven if you want to travel abroad, India's own party capital, Goa, is no less. Blessed with some of the most stunning beaches along its coastline, Goa is a heaven for those who love the sea, making it exceptionally popular among the youth. This is not all. The state comes complete with natural treasure troves as well as ample historical sites for the explorer new. Best things to explore: beaches, forts, national parks, waterfalls, spice gardens. Best time to visit: November to February. Number 15. Maldives, most romantic destination. There's no destination that speaks of romance like the Maldives. The beachy heaven is known for its lux resorts, villas, overseas, and the most amazing experiences to cherish. Maldives is a great place to visit if you want to amp up the romance. No wonder that this is the preferred honeymoon destination for so many newlyweds. Spend some time by the sea, go scuba diving, or explore the many islands there. Best things to explore: scuba diving, Glowing Beach National Museum. Best time to visit: October to March. Number 14. Ishigaki Island, Okinawa, Japan. Best stargazing destination. What's key to clear skies, clean air, and in Okinawa, Japan, you can experience it the best. Visit the destination for clear skies and water, and indulge your senses in some nighttime stargazing sessions for fun activity. Rest assured, the destination's natural and cultural offerings will make for a wholesome trip. Best things to explore: stargazing, beaches, castles, and temples. Best time to visit: October to March. Number 13. Sri Lanka, best wildlife destination. Sri Lanka is a mesmerizing country you can visit. The nation is especially known for its beaches, nature, and wildlife, all of which combine to provide you with the most amazing experience that you could imagine. Go on nature trails, visit wildlife parks, and see the wild beasts up close and personal in this country. Best things to explore: temples and forts. Best time to visit: October to March. Number 12. Bali, best destination to get close to nature. Bali in Indonesia is a popular place in Asia, known for its scenic natural beauty. Not just its beaches, Bali also has a rich heritage and culture, which draws crowds. And if you are looking for a nature sojourn, the island has ample treks and trails for you to be one with your surroundings. Best things to explore: Uluwatu, Ubud Monkey Park, and Mount Batur. Best time to visit: winter months, December to March. Number 11. Vietnam, best culinary destination. If there's one cultural cuisine that bursts with umami goodness, it's Vietnamese cuisine. The country, apart from its beautiful landscapes, is known for its food. Everywhere you go, you'll be met with local, regional delicacies that will bowl you over as you soak in new, exciting experiences and visit stunning destinations. Best things to explore: Hanoi, Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh City. Best time to visit: November to March. Number 10. Philippines. Philippines are made up of over 7,000 different islands. It should come as no surprise to learn that it is a very popular beach holiday destination. Its inviting waters make for some fantastic surfing, scuba diving, and snorkeling, with Boracay and North Palawan particularly great places to enjoy water spots. While some islands are coated in lush rice fields or tropical rainforests, others are home to hidden lagoons and smoking volcanoes. Dotted about its varied landscapes, you can find chaotic yet colorful cities such as Cebu and the capital, Manila. Best time to visit: December to February. Number 9. Cambodia, destination to get a taste of royalty. The royal destination is among the best places to visit in Asia. Cambodia, known for its beautiful landscapes, low-lying plains, and stunning natural beauty. The destination is known equally for its cuisine, which boasts of rich, tropical and umami flavors. Best things to explore: Angkor Wat, Korong, and Phnom Penh. Best time to visit: December to March. Number 8. Dubai, best adventure destination. There's something about Dubai that calls out to tourists like no other Asian destination. The city, a part of the United Arab Emirates, is great for luxury travelers looking for adventures. Be it desert safaris or long water slides, Dubai has it all. You can also climb atop the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, for some magnificent views of the city. Best things to explore: desert safari, Dubai Aquarium, Burj Khalifa, Mall of Emirates. Best time to visit: winter. December to March is the best season to visit Dubai. Number 7. Qatar, best family vacation destination. Qatar has been among the most popular emerging destinations for travelers. This can be attributed to the FIFA World Cup that's happening there. The country, especially Doha, its capital, have been home to a host of visitors from across the world. And football aside, The country is a great destination for families to visit. With ample culture and heritage, paired with some of the best food, Middle Eastern and otherwise, the country is truly among the best you can visit. Best things to explore: Doha, mosques, and beaches. Best time to visit: December to early March. Number 6. Japan. Best cultural destinations. If you think of culture, heritage, and ample delectable meals, the tourist place in Asia that will not definitely come to mind is Japan. The country is known for its blooming cherry blossoms, ancient temples, old age traditions, and scrumptious offerings that it has given to the world. It's also among the safest destinations for solo women travelers, making it a must visit. Best things to explore: temples, boat train rides, Japanese tea ceremony. Best time to visit: March to May, September to November, to be able to see cherry blossoms. Number 5. Malaysia. Malaysia is a multi-ethnic and multi-religious country in Southeast Asia and one of the wealthiest and most developed countries, outranked in GNP only by Singapore and oil-rich Brunei. The country recently launched its visa and is a relatively affordable destination to live in and work from. An added bonus, the stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage will make the experience a thoroughly enriching one for you. Best things to explore: Petronas Twin Towers, Langkawi Sky Cave, Batu Caves. Best time to visit: November to April. Number 4. Bangkok. Best shopping destination. Bangkok is heaven for those in the mood for some shopping. The capital of Thailand, Bangkok has enough malls and local markets for all kinds of shopping, be it luxuries and on-trend clothes or knickknacks that will amp up an outfit. Bangkok is definitely ahead of most countries when it comes to fashion trends, making for a great shopping experience. Best things to explore: Temple of Dawn, Sky Train, malls and local markets. It's best time to visit: November to February. Number 3. Saadiyat Island, Abu Dhabi. Best wedding destination. Located in Abu Dhabi, Saadiyat Island is a beautiful mix of heritage, modernity, and culture. The island is ideal for a destination wedding, being equipped with luxury resorts, hotels, beachy venues, and gastronomic cuisine. This is not all. Abu Dhabi is home to places such as Yas Island, known for its adventure and tourism, and some of the most delicious food you'll find, perfect for a wedding and even your honeymoon. Best things to explore: Yas Island, Abu Dhabi, and Dubai. Best time to visit: November to February. Number 2. Indonesia. Best beach destination. Indonesia is the largest archipelago on Earth. The country is an amalgamation of thousands of islands, over 17,000 for sure. thus being home to enough beaches to last you a lifetime. The country is also home to Bali, the island that is visited by tourists from across the world. Bali houses wildlife parks, beautiful beaches, and several historical sites to make for days of fun. Best things to explore: Monkey Park in Ubud, beaches in Bali, Kuta, and Lombok. Best time to visit: December to June. Number 1. Singapore. Best city. The island country of Singapore is also among the most popular in Asia for its tech and economy. The country is a heaven for travelers too, thanks to its stunning spots that, combined with ample luxury hotels and a vast culinary culture, Singapore is definitely a place that calls out to all kinds of travelers. The cuisine here is an amalgamation of Indian, Chinese, Indonesian, and other cuisine, thanks to its largely immigrant population. Places such as Chinatown offer a peek into local ingredients, skincare, and more, which will help you want more. Best things to explore: Sentosa Islands, Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, Singapore Flyer, Jurong Bird Park, Clark Quay, Orchard Road, Chinatown. Best time to visit: December to June.